everyone! Today I'm diving into the world of salicylic acid cleansers. If you're looking to unlock clear, glowing skin, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is a salicylic acid cleanser? It's a type of face wash infused with salicylic acid, which is a beta-hydroxy acid. This powerhouse ingredient helps to exfoliate your skin, unclog pores, and reduce inflammation. Now let's talk about the benefits. Salicylic acid cleansers are fantastic for treating acne and preventing breakouts. They gently exfoliate the skin, removing dead skin cells and excess oil, which can help minimize blackheads and whiteheads. Sounds amazing, right? But how often should you use it? For most people, using a salicylic acid cleanser 2 to 3 times a week is ideal. If you have sensitive skin, start with once a week and see how your skin reacts. Can you use it every day? It's possible, but be cautious. Overuse can lead to dryness and irritation. Always listen to your skin. Wondering if it's suitable for sensitive skin? Look for a gentle formula. Many brands offer versions designed specifically for sensitive skin, so you can still reap the benefits without the irritation. Now here's a common question. Can I use a salicylic acid cleanser with retinol? It's best to alternate their use. Use your salicylic acid cleanser in the morning and retinol at night. This helps prevent skin irritation and maximizes the benefits of both products. Remember, always follow up with a good moisturizer and sunscreen. Your skin will thank you. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. You can also visit greatermood.com for more skincare and wellness tips. Take care and happy cleansing.